organization managed own servers and hardware resources and network teams, power supply, lot of things comes under capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is nothing but on premises. So operational expenditure means cloud. So here interviewer will ask you, if you more than 7-8 years experience guys will ask you this question. So why are companies migrating legacy applications to cloud? So you need to explain lot of features. In the on-premises, once you buy servers, you cannot change hardware. So these kind of complex issues will came into the picture when working with on-premises. But cloud we are providing lot of features for us. For same instance, after application deployment, we can change, we can update hardware resources. Currently, I'm choosing my for my application deployment 16 GB RAM. So when load came into when more load getting, so immediately we need more hardware. So in that case, you need to choose specific hardware and just update. So automatically existing server only will get 32 GB RAM or 48 GB RAM, 96 GB RAM like that. So here hardware types on premises are operational on premises on off premises means cloud. On premises or capital expenditure means local infrastructure or managed by organization itself. Remember these points. So here compute engine hardware types. So already we discussed instance family, compute optimize, CPU optimize, general optimize, memory optimize, and storage optimize. So when you go for specific hardware type family, that is our requirement. Application depends on application. So you can choose specific. Compute optimize means first general purpose. General purpose means it is a shared resources. You need to update. Mm, yeah, we discussed 16 GB already. We have created existing servers. We need to update one more 32 GB or 48 GB. So in that case, you go with general general purpose optimize. CPU optimize. You need more CPU. In that case, go with compute optimize. More CPU means cores, number of cores. CPU optimize means graphical. So my application is Maya means VFX related application. Then you need to choose this kind of hardware, GPU optimize. Graphical, they are designed graphical hardware. Uh, and memory optimize. You need more RAM, more than 5,000 plus GB RAM is there. So you can choose like that. Depends on the load. And storage optimize. IOPS means input and output per second. You need more read and write operations per second. So in that case, you need to take storage optimize. So now I am logging to AWS first, then you can understand those things. Mm. Just a minute. Finding credentials. Mm. Not this. Yeah, now I'm sharing the screen. Mm. It's not required. Okay. The AWS account, right? So go to EC2. So instance family means instance types. See general purpose. See T2 dot micro and T3A all are general purpose. P means compute optimize. So next compute optimize. All are compute optimize. The this is also compute optimize. Z. See here. Z means more graphics. You need more graphics, then go with Z type. Instance family type, you can choose ZH like that. M means memory optimize. Instance family memory type. So you can choose more RAM. So 768. R series storage optimize. This is storage. Up to 10 gigahertz, more than 10 gigahertz network performance. So read and write operations very fast compared to this 50 gigahertz. R series storage optimized. All are storage optimized. X. So next next topic. Mm. And on premises, we then have more flexibility like auto scaling features. We want to do this kind of auto scaling and all, it is not possible. So here virtualization came into the picture. That is also drawback for getting latency when getting more user traffic. But cloud is not like that. You can increase hardware resources based on, and cloud also providing auto scaling features and migration. If you want to migrate DB version, some MySQL 5.7 to current version 8.8.x. So in that case, capital on premises is very difficult. You need to change hardware resources, system, servers, lot of things, background. Again, you need to buy all the things. But operation cloud is not. Cloud is providing DMS, data migration service. Just take the service, pick the service, and configure. That's it. Automatically, existing all database move to updated version. So these kind of activities, who is taking care? So mainly we are moving all companies to cloud. In that case, mainly cost optimization, high availability. So always talk about these things only. Mostly interware when go when choosing cloud or we'll get cost optimization. So save the time. Lot of things came into the picture here. High availability. How cloud providing high availability means auto scaling is the one of the best example. Based on load, you can increase and down the if load is getting low, down the resources. That's it. So these kind of activities, who is going to take care about SRE? So SRE will take care about these things, cost optimization and all, high availability. Here for high availability purpose, they are using blue green deployment and canary deployments. So application, is there any patching activity came into the picture immediately? So that particular team interacting those things and analysis any vulnerabilities and a lot of things, security scans, lot of teams working on those things. After patching activity or code promotion is a new services. So previously existing application, our application correlates scratch from scratch we are developing. So past 6 years, so we have developed more than 25 services. So those services up and running. So again, 20 services is a new code promotion means updated new services. So you need to deploy these new services without zero downtime. So in that case, go with Blue Green or Canary. So now cloud platforms, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. What are the platforms? interface asking what are the platforms you worked on and what are the services comes under IaaS, PaaS or SaaS. These kind of questions will face. So you need to answer for that. So infrastructure as a service means Mm, just a minute. So here cloud platforms, IaaS infrastructure as a service means here you need to manage server and mm, database and patching update. Patching is not come into the picture here. Database and servers and security violations and runtime. Runtime also ourselves we can handle. So Java or Python, .NET, these are the runtimes. So more than five components, six components are there. So picture you can find the Google. So cloud platforms. Here download. Download. Mhm. So these platforms will you can see right. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see.
Yes, sir.
This is on premises. Means capital expenditure means you need to manage applications or data, runtime, middleware, OS virtualization, and server patching and storage, networking. All this is the company headache. But com clouds providing any go and pick any cloud. So IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS services companies cloud providers are defined. So you need to choose most of the 70% of the applications deployed on IaaS platform only. So you need to manage applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS. OS means servers, so virtualization and servers, storage, networking, even you don't have access. Even you cannot see these kind of backend activities. So PaaS services, applications and data. This is only managed by clients, means you and me, DevOps engineers and all. And runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, servers, storage, networking, these kind of things, all managed by cloud vendors. And software as a service. So you don't have any access. All managed by cloud vendor itself only. Just you are a client. That's it. So like Google Drive, Gmail services, this kind of applications, and Teams, Outlook, and Adobe Creative Clouds. So all comes under this software as a service. Platform as a service, Elastic Container Service. There is a one best use case for this. So only you can deploy the application and maintain the data. You don't have any right to access all. So previously I have if it is platform as a service, I have deployed Elastic Container Service cluster. So in that forget cluster. So just you need to change new versions, means existing Docker images you can replace with new version. That's it. So these kind of activities you will do from this platform. But here you need to do all activities from creating servers, middleware activities, and runtime of data. Data means database and all. So so now clear picture about, right? Hello.
Yes, Parshu.
So here cloud, any cloud vendor providing three types of platforms for us. One is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Second one, platform as a service, software as a service. So clear picture map in mind. So automatically you could able to answer the. So after this infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, they will ask which which type of platform you have worked on, and what are the services, and what services you have used in that. This kind of questions you will face. So you need to ready for those things also. You need to ready those answers. So next, this is a DevOps. DevOps platforms is different. CAS and Kubernetes as a service. Kubernetes as a service. So already you know Kubernetes, how we are deploying application by using Kubernetes, and lot of Kubernetes API resources already you know. So you need to explain container as a service. Means Docker. So pin to pin you need to ready to explain. Function as a service. This kind of activities automation. Terraform, Python, Shell, disaster recovery as a service. So these all platforms, CAS and FAS. These are DevOps platforms. Next, this part is over. Next, why going to deploy application in the form of containers? Explain anyone? Hello, Nirupama.
Yes. Yeah, why you are deploying container, correct?
Yeah.
So what happened in normal this and virtualization in that platform? What happened? we are creating that physical server will be there. On that physical server, we are deploying that gateways. On that gateways, we are deploying that this one hypervisor, and on that hypervisor, we are deploying OS. Maybe it will be Windows or Linux. On that only we are able to run the application. So in that container, what happened? The dependency, like on the operating system only application will run. That dependency will be not there. And another thing, that layer, like 3-4 layer, if application want to connect with that hardware, it's required to go to the more layer, like it need to connect to hardware, like it need to go to operating system. After that, you need to connect with the gateways. After that, like a hypervisor. After that, need to connect with the gateways. Then it will connect to hardware. So that layer also, it's not that in the container directly. Like on that hardware will install gateways. On that gateways will install a Docker engine. On that Docker engine only any application can run. So this is the advantage, like the dependency and the layer, more layer is there in that hypervisor. That thing will be not there in the container.
Great.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
And you need to explain more features also for containers. I need more
Okay.
more advantages.
Mm. That's only from my side. Actually, I need to prepare more.
Okay. Already,
Yeah.
Kinera, you know already. So tell me. Hello? Hello, Kinera. Hello? Hello, Lakshmi. Aparna,
Parshram.
this is you don't know, right?
Yes, sir.
But what she is explaining is correct. But
Yes,
you
yes,
need to explain more things for advantages.
Okay.
So my Carvel applications, I'm deploying servers itself. So in
Okay.
that case, you need to use virtualization if you need more handle load. So here, see 9 a.m. This is the Carvel application, means like a Ola or Uber. So lot of
Okay.
billions of customers booking this cab.
Yes, yes.
So in this case, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., 9 a.m. to 10 p.m.,
10 p.m.
200 servers required. And 10 p.m.
Okay.
to 8 a.m., we need only 100 servers. So total, see here, bookings how will come. So peak times, not this one. This is a little bit mistake. So morning 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. we will get more traffic, user traffic, because everybody going to offices and all, right? So in that case, we'll get more traffic, more workload, user traffic means requests. You need to bear the load. So in that case, currently I'm deploying servers and virtualization concept. In that case, you need to use 250 servers. Each server cost 350 USD dollars. Each server cost. So 350.
350.
Yeah. So calculate 250 servers into 350 USD means 1 lakh USD dollars you need to pay for if you deploy normal servers. So Stackholder don't want to deploy servers, so you can use containers. So you need to understand containers, features and all best practices. You need to deploy applications. Why here you can take hardware resources, 8 core CPU and 16 GB RAM for each server. So here one core equals to 1000 millicore, means 8000 millicore. So here 250 servers means divided in, calculate into that many RAMs and CPUs. So containers not like that. Containers not like that. Container, see here 100 millicore. Here one core CPU, one core CPU equals to 100 millicore performance. Container performance I'm saying. So just a container is a lightweight. That is the one advantage. So it is not a ISO files or not ISO file. So it is a image. So this image is very lightweight and very consuming less hardware resources. So in that case, it is after deploying application in the form of containers, it is taking each container only 100 millicore. So here, how many servers you can save? See here,
250. Okay.
so just you can take 8. This is 8000 millicore. So one core CPU. This is a server deployment. I'm saying one core, how much performance giving? 100 millicore container performance also getting more than best performance compared to server deployment. So that's why containers are more popular. So here 100 millicore. So you can, instead of taking 250 servers, just you can take 1010. Just 25 servers is enough for us, for application. This is the one best advantage. So you can explain like that. Then interval feel she has good knowledge back and things. So they feel like that. So you need to understand hardware resource and containers. Already you know request and resource limits, how we are controlling the resources. So you need to understand hardware components as well. So these things you need to explain. And also add Nirupama what we said previously. So next.
Yeah, okay.
So this is containers means cost saving, time saving, lot of things, lot of features will get into the picture. So hello, Kinnara.
ఎస్ రామ్ హలో
Yeah,
చెప్పండి రామ్
మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా అది ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్?
క్వశ్చన్ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయరా?
So why you are going to deploy applications in the form of containers? So already you know all the things. So previously Nirupama also said one feature. So just I discussed the additional features as well. So you need to already know those things.
Okay.
Clearly explain me.
Yes, yes, Ram. Okay. So we use containers as a packages of softwares which contains whatever the necessary elements we use in the production environment. And through containerization, we can optimize cost and the time as well. Earlier, to install the Java application, it has been taken 2 days also, but now within fraction of seconds, like in half minute, 30 seconds also, we can get install those kind of softwares. We can
No. Completely
we
different.
can
What you are saying, all completely different. So I'm asking, instead of deploying servers application,
okay.
why are going for containers?
By using containers, we can save the time and cost.
No. Here, remember this point. You need to explain virtualization clearly first. So after that, you need
Okay.
to point out virtualization drawbacks. Then go for containers. Remember these 3 points. So next,
Okay.
so less than 1 minute session will end up. So again, you need to join within 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, Ram.
Nirupama, you also.
Okay.